Tired of accidentally using your Apple Cash for purchases you didn't intend? Well, today, I'm going to show you how to remove Apple Cash from your payment and shipping options. First, unlock your iPhone and find the Settings app. It's the one with the gray gear icon. Tap on it to open. Now, at the very top of the Settings menu, you'll see your name and Apple ID. Tap on your name. Great! On the Apple ID screen, locate and tap on Payment and Shipping. You might need to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID to proceed. So go ahead and do that. You should now see a list of your payment methods. Find Apple Cash in the list. In the upper right corner, tap on Edit. Look for the red minus icon to the left of Apple Cash and tap on it. A red Remove button will appear. Tap on Remove to confirm. This will remove Apple Cash as a default payment option. And that's it. Apple Cash is now removed from your payment and shipping options. You can always add it back later if you want. Now you have more control over when and how you use your Apple Cash balance. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.